Yo, what's up, fam? What's up? So I'll get right to it. Today I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on OBS Studio. This for Windows. I'll show you how to set it up for YouTube and Twitch. I don't really stream on Facebook, anything else like that, but I do stream on Kick, so I can help you out with that too. But generally it's all the same. So first thing you want to do is go to OBS project.com, right? Boom. Now here you can download your version. I'm picking the Windows version, blah, blah, blah. So you save that to your folder, you know, and you install it. Once you save it, then you extract it, you install it, and then you get to your OBS, right? So I got one running right now, so I'm finna open up another one just to show y'all what's going on. They do have it to where you can stop OBS from showing itself on the screen, which is this. I need to take that off. So, okay, now you can see my OBS, right? All right. So this is not how it's going to come set up for y'all when y'all just get it. I'm going to make a new profile, right? So, okay. Tutorial. Boom. All right. So this is what you all will get when you first start. It's going to say optimized for streaming. Recording is secondary. Optimized for just recording. I will not be streaming, or I will only be using the virtual camera. All right. So I do for streaming. Recording is secondary because I do both. So then you do next. You choose your resolution. Mine is the 3440 by 1440 because I got ultra wide. So depending on what your monitor is, you want to set your canvas at your monitor, at the resolution of your monitor generally. And I do 60 frames per second because I do gaming. You might want to do, 30 or something else, depending on what you stream, right? So let's just go with the 1080, right? Okay, so say we're going to YouTube, right? Boom. Now, this is the easy part, so you don't have to do anything else. It's the same thing with Twitch, Facebook, I think Twitter, all of them. You just log in and it connects your account, right? So boom, you log in, you put your account in, boom, that's my account. So, and then it will set you up, okay? So, okay. Oh, I might as well have logged in, right? So I'll log into this one, right? Yeah. Do all of this. Yeah, you see I run with Galaxy. We don't do Macs over here. So, yep. All right, so I got OBS logged in, right? Continue. There you go. Now we're logged into OBS, right? Okay. Now it's testing the bandwidth of my internet. I know I've got 25 megabits upload. So generally when streaming, you want to use half of your total bandwidth just in case there are any spikes or anything. So if you got like 25, you want to do 12. So I've got, yeah, see, I got all my, graphics cards and everything. Video bit rate 10,000. Yeah, that's using half of my stuff. So I'll apply these settings. Let me hide this stuff because these are my vertical scenes and sources and all of that. You won't have all of that, right? So then here is where you make your scenes and everything. I got all mine set up. But basically you add your scenes, right? So I'm not going to do all that. I'm not going to go through all that. But basically you would go to add scene. So you type in the name of your scene, right? Boom. That's your scene, right? So within the scene, then you add your sources. So then you would go add like your video capture device. I've got 2 cameras hooked up, right? So I use my NVIDIA broadcast, right? But here, if you go create new, right? Then You just pick your different off your list of cameras, right? So I'll switch this one. I'll change this one. I'll remove this and just use the one I already have, which is my NVIDIA broadcast, right? So that's how I get it with it comes with my why is it showing like that? So if you get any problem with it showing too small, you go into transform, and then you reset transform, right? So then, oh, but it's not gonna catch this one because I'm already using it in my other OBS. So anyway, all right. So then you've got your display captures, which is my desktop right here, which doesn't fit in here because my desktop is too wide. So you can just resize anything and put it on here as you wish. Try to get it to fit. Boom, it snaps into place. Boom, that's your desktop. So whatever you want to show on your desktop, it could be a window, it could be a video or anything. As long as it's playing on your desktop, OBS will pick it up. Another thing, maybe you want to add text, right? So you add maybe a "be right back" or, but so I added text. Welcome, right? So you can pick your color, the opacity, background color, background opacity, alignment, everything you would do in a word processor. And then you can just put it right there, or wherever you like to put it. So you can add your images, add logos. It's just I'm just giving you the basic setup, right? You go to settings, right? Now this one, it's already set up everything for you, so you really don't even have to do anything. This, when you have only one window to work with and you don't want this strange old movie thing going on, Doctor Strange and Inception going on, then you just hit this and apply, and then it doesn't show your OBS. But I need to show the OBS, otherwise I can't record it, right? So your stream is already set up, your output, it's already set all of this up because it tested your internet speed. Now, one good thing now, if you've got an NVIDIA encoder, you can switch to HEVC, which does give you better compression with the lower bandwidth. And it also does HDR. So that would be a good thing I would recommend switching to. So here's your different audio devices. You have your desktop audio. This is my chat mic. Well, the chat that I get from like the game or from Zoom, other VoIP, Google Voice, things like that. Any chat rooms, Discord. That's the chat. I'm using a TC Helicon. So you'll just set your audio inputs, which ones you're going to use, and then press apply. Then you've got your video, which was already set up previously. So based on this, you're ready to go. You're ready to start streaming. You just set up your assets in your on your canvas. You set up your different streams. I've got different I've got different layouts. They're not fitting this because my canvas is the wrong size. So if you want to see how it really looks, I'll just go change my video resolution and save that. Boom. Now everything fits, right? So then I got this. Got my different scenes and everything. This is my full display. My display with my camera, everything like that. So then when you're ready to start streaming, you go to manage broadcast, you name your broadcast, you can upload a thumbnail, put your description, everything. You can even schedule it for later, set your time and all of that. Boom. Cancel that. If you want to record, you just press start recording. It will record wherever you set your oh, you got to go to advanced, right? And then when you go to recording, all right, let me see. I might have did that too fast. So it's when you go to output mode, simple or advanced. I go to advanced and then recording. Then you can change your path of your recording. Um, Switch your audio tracks so you can have it record all your different audio tracks. That's more advanced stuff. So you got a replay buffer. That's so then you can if you got highlights or something you want to save and you were streaming and not recording, it'll save that little clip for you to go back to later. So yep. So basically that's all you need for your basic setup of OBS. I've got the Stream Elements plugins on here and everything. You can go to Stream Elements. They've got a Stream Elements OBS. They have a Stream Labs OBS. They're different ones. I prefer OBS Studio with the Stream Elements because then I can do a lot of stuff with that. But this is just the basic getting you started with OBS. I can go into more detail about the different features later on in a different video. But I just wanted to get you all set up with OBS. And I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know in the comments, like what do you want to know about OBS? What are you trying to do? I can help you get your video looking better. I can get everything done for you. So you just let me know, and I'll holler at y'all in the next one. Peace.